Integration of fifth-generation fighter jets on the Fujian Carrier by 2026. Overview. The integration of fifth-generation fighter jets onto China's Fujian Aircraft Carrier by 2026 marks a strategic enhancement of China's aerial warfare capabilities. This initiative is backed by an estimated budget of $400 million aimed at upgrading the technical aspects of the carrier and ensuring it can effectively operate advanced combat aircraft like the Chengdu J-20. This report delves into the implications of this integration, the budget allocation, and the timeline of events leading to this ambitious military modernization effort. Technical enhancements. The primary focus of this integration is to enhance the operational capabilities of the Fujian Carrier through advanced technological upgrades. Key enhancements include 1. Advanced avionics. The integration of sophisticated avionics systems in the J-20 and other fighter jets is crucial. These systems will improve navigation, targeting, and communication capabilities, allowing for more effective mission execution. 2. Stealth capabilities. Fifth-generation fighters are designed with low observable stealth technology, making them harder to detect by enemy radar. This feature is essential for conducting operations in contested environments and will significantly boost the carrier's operational security. 3. Enhanced weapon systems. The J-20 is expected to be equipped with advanced weaponry that includes air-to-air missiles and precision-guided munitions, allowing for superior combat effectiveness against various aerial threats. 4. Carrier modifications. To accommodate these advanced jets, the Fujian Carrier will undergo significant infrastructure upgrades. This includes modifications to the flight deck hangars and maintenance facilities to support the operational readiness of fifth-generation aircraft. Budget allocation. The planned expenditure of approximately $400 million underscores China's commitment to advancing its naval aviation capabilities. The budget is anticipated to cover procurement of fighter jets. A portion of the budget will be allocated to purchasing additional J-20 jets or other advanced fighters that can operate from the carrier. Infrastructure improvements. Funds will be directed towards enhancing the carrier's onboard facilities to support the new aircraft's operational requirements. Research and development. Investment in R&D will facilitate the development of new technologies and systems to ensure that the Fujian Carrier remains at the forefront of naval aviation. Timeline of events. 2021. Initial discussions regarding the integration of fifth-generation fighters into the Chinese naval fleet began, indicating a shift towards advanced aerial capabilities. 2023. Reports surfaced indicating that the Fujian Carrier was undergoing modifications to support the operational needs of fifth-generation aircraft, aligning with China's broader military modernization strategies. 2026. The target year for the operational integration of these advanced jets aboard the Fujian Carrier, which would mark a significant milestone in China's naval capabilities and its position in regional maritime power dynamics. Strategic ambitions and military modernization. The integration of fifth-generation fighter jets into the Fujian Carrier reflects China's strategic ambitions to establish itself as a dominant maritime power. There are several key themes that emerge from this initiative. Regional dominance. With the capability to deploy advanced fighters from its carriers, China aims to enhance its power projection in the Asia-Pacific region, particularly in contested areas such as the South China Sea. Technological superiority. The focus on acquiring and integrating cutting-edge technology demonstrates China's commitment to closing the gap with other advanced military powers, particularly the United States. A comprehensive military strategy. This initiative is part of a broader military modernization strategy that encompasses enhancements in air defense, naval capabilities, and cyber warfare, aiming for a well-rounded and sophisticated military force. Comparative analysis. The integration of fifth-generation fighters on the Fujian Carrier can be compared to similar efforts undertaken by other nations, particularly the United States. The U.S. has successfully integrated F-35 fighters onto its aircraft carriers, showcasing the operational advantages of stealth, advanced sensors, and networked warfare capabilities. By examining these precedents, it becomes clear that the integration of advanced fighter jets can reshape the dynamics of naval engagements and enhance the effectiveness of carrier strike groups. Conclusion: the integration of fifth-generation fighter jets onto the Fujian Carrier by 2026 represents a critical step in enhancing China's aerial warfare capabilities. Supported by a substantial budget for technical upgrades, this initiative not only reflects China's military ambitions but also signifies a significant evolution in naval warfare strategy in the Asia-Pacific region. As China continues to modernize its military, the implications of this integration will be closely watched by regional and global powers, potentially reshaping the balance of power in maritime operations. The integration of fifth-generation fighter jets onto China's Fujian Aircraft Carrier by 2026 is a complex undertaking that involves several counterintuitive aspects. 1. Budget allocation versus expectations. While a budget of $400 million might seem substantial, in the context of fifth-generation fighter jet technology and naval upgrades, it is relatively modest. This budget suggests a focus on incremental improvements rather than a complete overhaul or the acquisition of numerous advanced aircraft. This counterintuitive notion raises questions about the long-term sustainability and effectiveness of such an investment in the face of rapidly evolving military technologies. 2. Geopolitical implications. The integration of advanced jets like the Chengdu J-20 is intended to enhance China's power projection capabilities. However, it also risks escalating regional tensions as neighboring countries may respond with their own military enhancements. This counterintuitive outcome illustrates that while the primary goal may be to bolster defense capabilities, the resulting arms race could compromise regional stability, contradicting the intended purpose of enhancing security. 3. Operational readiness versus technological superiority. The expectation that advanced technology will automatically translate to superior operational effectiveness can be misleading. The integration of fifth-generation fighters requires not only the aircraft themselves but also trained personnel, support systems, and operational doctrines. The assumption that simply having advanced jets will lead to dominance in aerial warfare overlooks the complexities of military logistics and readiness, which can be a significant challenge for the Chinese military. 4. Influence of historical precedents. The comparison to the United States' successful integration of F-35s on aircraft carriers can be misleading. The U.S. Navy has decades of experience in carrier operations and has developed a robust support infrastructure. China is still relatively new to carrier operations and might face challenges in replicating this success. The counterintuitive notion here is that China may not achieve similar operational effectiveness simply by acquiring advanced technology. The historical context of naval operations plays a crucial role. 5. Perception of military modernization. The narrative surrounding military modernization often emphasizes the acquisition of cutting-edge technology as the primary indicator of a nation's strength. However, this can overshadow other vital aspects such as strategic planning, international alliances, and the psychological dimensions of warfare. The assumption that technological superiority alone guarantees victory can lead to miscalculations in both strategy and engagement. 6. Public perception and domestic implications. The push for advanced military capabilities can be a double-edged sword. While it may bolster national pride and support for the military, it can also lead to public scrutiny regarding spending priorities, especially in times of economic difficulty. The counterintuitive aspect here is that while military advancements may enhance a nation's global standing, they could also provoke domestic dissent if perceived as excessive or misaligned with the public's needs. 7. Integration challenges. The assumption that integrating fifth-generation fighters into the Fujian Carrier will be a straightforward process is overly simplistic. There are numerous technical and logistical challenges to consider, including retrofitting the carrier to handle these advanced jets and ensuring compatibility with existing systems. The counterintuitive reality is that the integration may take longer and be more complex than anticipated, potentially delaying operational capabilities. 8. Long-term strategy versus immediate needs. The focus on immediate enhancements to aerial warfare capabilities could distract from longer-term strategic planning. While the integration of advanced jets is essential, it may lead to neglect in other areas such as cyber warfare, space capabilities, and unmanned systems, which are increasingly important in modern conflicts. The counterintuitive takeaway is that concentrating resources on one area may create vulnerabilities in others, ultimately affecting overall military readiness. In conclusion, while the integration of fifth-generation fighter jets onto the Fujian Carrier represents a significant step for China, it is essential to recognize the counterintuitive implications of such an undertaking. The interplay between technological advancement, operational readiness, geopolitical dynamics, and domestic considerations presents a complex landscape that goes beyond the straightforward narrative of military modernization. The report on the integration of fifth-generation fighter jets onto China's Fujian Aircraft Carrier by 2026 encompasses several layers of complexity that are crucial to understanding the broader implications of this military advancement. While many readers may focus on the surface-level details such as the technical upgrades or the budget, there are deeper, often overlooked aspects that merit attention. Here are key points that are significant yet might be missed by a casual reader. 1. Geopolitical context. The integration of advanced fighter jets into the Fujian Carrier cannot be viewed in isolation. It is a part of China's broader strategy to assert itself as a dominant maritime power in the Asia-Pacific region. This move is likely to provoke responses from neighboring countries and the United States, potentially altering the regional balance of power. The significance lies in the potential escalation of military tensions and the arms race in the region, which could have profound implications for global security. 2. Technological parity and innovation. The focus on fifth-generation jets, particularly the Chengdu J-20, highlights China's ambition to achieve technological parity with Western military powers, particularly the United States. This endeavor is not merely about catching up, it is also about innovating and potentially surpassing existing technologies. Significant research and development efforts are behind these upgrades, indicating a shift in the dynamics of military technology where China aims to lead rather than follow. 3. Infrastructure and logistical challenges. While the budget of $400 million is noteworthy, it is essential to consider the infrastructural changes required to support the integration of fifth-generation jets. This includes modifications to the Fujian Carrier itself, such as enhancing launch and recovery systems, maintenance facilities, and munitions storage. Overlooking these logistical challenges can lead to an underestimation of the complexity involved in this integration process. 4. Training and operational readiness. The successful integration of these advanced jets is contingent on the training of pilots and support personnel. The development of operational tactics specific to fifth-generation warfare, such as network-centric warfare, advanced dogfighting techniques, and integration with other naval assets, will be crucial. The emphasis on training programs, which may be overlooked, is significant as it directly impacts the effectiveness of the new aircraft in combat scenarios. 5. Impact on regional military strategies. The integration of fifth-generation fighter jets into the Fujian Carrier will likely compel neighboring countries such as Japan, South Korea, and India to reassess their military strategies and capabilities. This could lead to increased defense spending and the pursuit of advanced technologies by these nations, thereby shaping the regional security landscape. The significance here lies in the cascading effects on alliances and defense postures among regional powers. 6. Economic implications. The substantial budget allocated for this integration is not just a military expenditure, it reflects China's economic priorities and capabilities. The investment in military modernization can have ripple effects on domestic industries, particularly in defense manufacturing and technology sectors. Understanding the economic motivations behind this initiative reveals how military spending can drive technological advancement and economic growth. 7. Potential for asymmetric warfare. The introduction of advanced fighter jets into carrier operations may also lead to considerations of asymmetric warfare strategies by potential adversaries. Countries that may not possess similar capabilities might develop countermeasures such as anti-ship ballistic missiles or electronic warfare tactics to neutralize the advantages provided by the Fujian Carrier. Recognizing the significance of these countermeasures is essential for a comprehensive understanding of future naval engagements. 8. Long-term military doctrine evolution. The integration of fifth-generation fighters signifies a potential shift in China's military doctrine. This evolution could lead to a greater emphasis on carrier strike group operations, joint exercises, and multi-domain warfare strategies that encompass air, sea, and cyber capabilities. The significance of this shift lies in its potential to redefine how China engages in military conflicts and conducts operations in contested environments. In summary, while the report provides valuable insights into the integration of fifth-generation fighter jets on the Fujian Carrier, it is crucial to delve deeper into the geopolitical, technological, infrastructural, and economic implications of this initiative. Recognizing these elements will allow for a more nuanced understanding of how this development may affect regional stability, military dynamics, and the broader international order. 1. Technical enhancements of the Fujian Carrier. The integration of fifth-generation fighter jets, particularly the Chengdu J-20, will significantly upgrade the Fujian Carrier's operational capabilities. This involves advanced avionics, stealth technology, and enhanced weapon systems that will improve the carrier's effectiveness in modern warfare scenarios. The focus on these technical enhancements underscores the importance of innovation in military strategy and effectiveness. 2. Strategic budget allocation. With a budget of $400 million, China is making a substantial investment in enhancing its naval aviation capabilities. This budget is not only aimed at acquiring the advanced fighter jets but also at upgrading the necessary infrastructure on the Fujian Carrier to support these jets. The financial commitment indicates the seriousness of China's intent to bolster its military capabilities and reflects broader strategic goals in the Asia-Pacific region. 3. Timeline and milestones. The integration of fifth-generation fighters into the Fujian Carrier is a systematic process with clear milestones. The timeline starting from initial discussions in 2021 to the targeted operational integration by 2026 highlights the strategic planning involved in military modernization. This structured approach allows for incremental advancements and ensures that the carrier is adequately prepared to utilize the new technologies effectively. For geopolitical implications in military modernization, the integration of advanced fighter jets is not just a technological upgrade. It is a reflection of China's ambitions to assert itself as a dominant maritime power. The move aligns with broader military modernization strategies, emphasizing the importance of aerial capabilities in regional security dynamics. The ability to project power through enhanced naval aviation could reshape the balance of military power in the Asia-Pacific, influencing geopolitical relations and strategic considerations among neighboring countries and global powers. 1. Integration of the F-35 Lightning II on U.S. aircraft carriers. The United States has been integrating the F-35 Lightning II, a fifth-generation multi-role stealth fighter, into its aircraft carrier operations since its introduction. The F-35, with its advanced stealth capabilities, sensor fusion, and networked warfare capabilities, has been deployed on the USS Gerald R. Ford and other carriers. This integration process has included substantial investments in carrier modifications, training, and support systems to maximize the operational capabilities of the F-35. The U.S. Navy aims to enhance its carrier strike group's effectiveness in contested environments, much like China's aspirations with the Fujian Carrier. 2. Russia's Admiral Kuznetsov and the Su-57. Russia has been working on integrating its fifth-generation fighter, the Sukhoi Su-57, with its aircraft carrier Admiral Kuznetsov. Despite challenges related to the Kuznetsov's operational status and modernization needs, the Russian military envisions deploying Su-57s to enhance its naval aviation capabilities. This integration is seen as crucial for maintaining a competitive edge in aerial combat and asserting maritime power, paralleling China's efforts with the Fujian Carrier to project power in the Asia-Pacific region. 3. India's indigenous aircraft carrier and the Tejas Mk2. India is developing its indigenous aircraft carrier INS Vikrant, which is set to operate advanced naval fighters including the Tejas Mk2. This initiative involves significant technical upgrades and investments aimed at boosting India's naval capabilities. The integration of the Tejas Mk2, which features advanced avionics and a focus on multi-role capabilities, reflects India's strategic ambition to enhance its maritime defense. Similar to China's Fujian Carrier project, India's efforts signify a commitment to modernize its naval fleet and maintain a formidable presence in regional waters. The integration of fifth-generation fighter jets onto China's Fujian Aircraft Carrier by 2026 is poised to significantly enhance China's aerial warfare capabilities, driven by a strategic focus on modern military technology and an allocated budget of approximately $400 million. This development not only underscores China's ambitions to assert itself as a dominant maritime power but also reflects broader trends in naval warfare that are reshaping military dynamics in the Asia-Pacific region. Future predictions for 2026 and beyond. 1. Enhanced combat effectiveness. The operational introduction of advanced fighter jets like the Chengdu J-20 will provide the Fujian Carrier with enhanced capabilities, including improved stealth, advanced avionics, and superior weapon systems. This integration will likely enable the Carrier Strike Group to conduct complex operations in contested environments, increasing deterrence against regional adversaries. 2. Strategic maritime power. By 2026, the successful integration of fifth-generation aircraft will solidify China's position as a leading maritime power. This capability will not only enhance China's regional influence but may also challenge existing power structures, particularly those of the United States and its allies in the Asia-Pacific. The presence of advanced naval aviation assets could lead to a recalibration of military strategies among neighboring countries, prompting increased investments in their own naval capabilities. 3. Technological innovation and adaptation. The budget of $400 million allocated for this initiative reflects a commitment to not just procure advanced aircraft but also to invest in necessary upgrades to the Fujian Carrier itself. Future advancements may include enhanced launch systems, improved maintenance infrastructure, and the incorporation of cutting-edge technologies such as artificial intelligence and drone warfare capabilities. This could set a precedent for future naval projects, emphasizing the importance of adaptability and modernization. 4. Increased geopolitical tensions. The integration of fifth-generation fighter jets could exacerbate existing geopolitical tensions in the region. The U.S. and its allies may respond by bolstering their own naval capabilities, leading to an arms race in advanced military technology. This dynamic could result in heightened military posturing, increased surveillance operations, and potential confrontations in contested waters such as the South China Sea. 5. Operational synergy with other forces. The integration of advanced fighter jets is likely to facilitate better coordination with other branches of the Chinese military, including the People's Liberation Army Navy Plan and the People's Liberation Army Air Force PLAF. Future operations may feature joint exercises that demonstrate the synergistic effects of combined arms, enhancing overall operational readiness and effectiveness. 6. Global influence on naval warfare. As China advances its naval capabilities, it may influence global military doctrines and the development of naval warfare tactics. Other nations observing China's integration of fifth-generation aircraft may adopt similar strategies, potentially leading to a shift in how naval power is projected and utilized in future conflicts. 7. Increased focus on cyber and electronic warfare. The deployment of advanced aerial capabilities is expected to coincide with a greater emphasis on cyber and electronic warfare. The integration of sophisticated jets will likely be accompanied by enhanced cyber defense mechanisms and electronic warfare capabilities to protect the carrier group from emerging threats, including those posed by adversarial drones and cyber attacks. 8. Potential for collaborative military projects. The successful integration of fifth-generation fighter jets may open avenues for collaboration with other countries seeking to modernize their own naval aviation capabilities. China's growing technological expertise could lead to partnerships or arms sales to other nations, further expanding its influence in global defense markets. Conclusion. The integration of fifth-generation fighter jets onto the Fujian Aircraft Carrier by 2026 represents a pivotal moment in the evolution of China's military capabilities and its strategic vision for maritime dominance. With significant investments in technology and infrastructure, China is poised to enhance its aerial warfare capabilities, potentially reshaping the balance of power in the Asia-Pacific region. As this initiative unfolds, it will be essential for global observers to monitor the implications for regional security dynamics and the broader geopolitical landscape.